Hi friends, so today I'll show you how you can increase battery life or battery time in your mobile. So you may have noticed that your battery is getting down very soon, and maybe after using for 4 to 5 hours, your battery the strength, your battery the power is getting down very fast. Okay, and maybe at a time you can see only 10% and 15% battery life is remaining. Okay, so how you can change battery time from settings, and how you can increase the battery time, so that maybe after 4 or 5 hours your battery will be still 40-50% more power for to be used. Okay, so you can use after this setup, after this battery time setup, you can extend up to 3 hours to 4 hours more battery time in your mobile. Okay, so let's see how we can change the setup in order to increase the battery time. Okay, battery power time. Okay, so first of all you need to go to the settings. So this is the settings screen, and from the settings screen you have to go to the power savings uh, button. Okay, can you see this power savings button? Yeah, I have highlighted for your convenient purpose. So you have to click on power savings button, and then you have to go to the next screen. It will appear, and you have to select decrease brightness options. Okay, it will be 5% or 10%. So you can keep it for 5% or 10% as at per your convenient. And then yeah, so here in this screen you can see 5%, 10% or none. You can select none also, brightness. And then once you select 10% or 5% or none, then you have to click on this apply button. Okay, so once you click on the apply button, your estimated battery life, how we can save, it will showcase, it will pop up in the in your mobile screen, and you can see that battery life extended by 46 minutes. Yeah, I'll show you here. So you can see that your battery life is increased for 46 minutes, right? So by this way you can change your battery power time. So next, go to the next slide. So you will get another pop-up message saying that your power savings mode is on and your battery life is extended by 44 minutes. You can imagine, right? So this is very, this is a good time. So this is very, 54 minutes you have increased in your mobile battery. So that means a good number of time you have increased the battery time. Okay, so I think this is very quick settings you can do from your mobile. Okay, so again I'll go through the screen for your convenience. So first you need to go to the settings, and then click up to power savings. You have to click on power savings, and then from power savings you have to select the decrease brightness option, and then click on the apply button. So you can see the apply button over here, right? So you can see the apply button over here. So you have to click on the apply button, and then you will get this kind of screen. Okay, battery life extended by this many hours. Okay, and then finally you will get one, right? Yeah, you one click option that it is done, your power savings mode has been changed, and you have increased the power savings life extended by 54 minutes. So okay, after these changes settings, you can notice that you can use your mobile for more 2 to 3 hours more. Okay, so maybe for example earlier before these settings you could have utilized your mobile for only 4 hours, but after these settings you can notice that you can utilize your mobile for 6 hours. Okay, so 2 hours you can save. So I think this is very informative and useful tips I gave you today. And if you like my video, please subscribe, and please watch out my next informative videos. Please support my work. And yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.